Maker's Studio features talented artists, inspiring projects and invaluable hints and tips. Each full-length episode of the Maker's Studio series features one of the UK's leading textile artists who demonstrate how to make their specialist project. The format includes an in-depth tutorial, discussion between the artist and host covering a range of topics from their creative motivations to personal stories. Then we join two industry experts for a roundtable discussion about the project. In this series you'll also find a number of shorter videos that focus on invaluable hints and tips from the artists. All videos in the Maker's Studio series are free to view. If you'd like the full Justhands-on.tv experience, become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our videos for as little as £5 a month. You can also purchase a series or individual workshops to create your own personal library with on-demand access. Happy sewing!